So winter 2023 work programme ongoing. Here we are, Saturday morning. As you can see, ejector seats, they're out. We did it all safely as to the book, using the winch at the front there, the block and tackle, aeroplane move forwards. We got creative with a little bit of tooling. There's a specialist tool that sits in the top of the seat that you need to release the seats, to get the seat out of the aircraft when you winch it upwards. So we're a bit different taking the seats out. Most Vulcans use the crane and a specialist bit of kit to lift it out. Obviously, you know, we can't get a crane inside here into the hangar, so we use a block and tackle. So the seats got winched out one by one. That was all done in the week. So as you can see, it's rather spacious now, which is quite nice. So now what we're going to do later on today, these ejector seat rails, they're going to be coming out. Rest of the jobs in the aircraft today, the bomb aimer's window blank, that's been taken out. We're getting a brand new bomb aimer's window made. So that is coming hopefully in the next few months. Keith is down the bottom of the cockpit there. He's going to be taking out the rear crew seats to gain access. So at the moment we're looking at trying to get access to the rear canopy hinges back here. So there's a couple of fittings that sit in there. They're leaking water, which isn't good for an aeroplane obviously, so they're going to be replaced. To get to those you need to remove the rear instrument panel, and then you kind of need to hang over the back of that and then try and find the fittings and drill it out. So up the back here is going to be paint stripped. We're going to see rivets being drilled out. And then hopefully we're going to find the fittings and we get some new fittings made. The forward instrument panels, they possibly might be coming out. On the rudder pedals down there, you've got the brake foot motors. They're going to be worked, so they're going to be resealed. So we've had a couple of little issues going on with the brakes, so they're going to be sorted out hopefully. So you might hear some banging in the background in a minute, some steps being moved. The guys are on the rear balance panels on the starboard side, so they're being opened up for inspection. We're going to be looking at the rear spar on that side, do a bit of a health check. So that's ongoing from last year's survey that we were doing. So later on today, aircraft's going to be jacked. So the guys are moving stuff around, banging and crashing. So the aircraft's going to be jacked and stress jacked. Hopefully that should be done for about 1 o'clock today. So onwards, what we're doing today also, or what's been going on in the week, the guys are still working in the hangar. The machine shop, that's being fabricated at the moment, so machines are being moved, turned into a proper workshop, how it should be. Offices are being decorated, other bits being painted, fit outs here and there, so it doesn't stop down here. Everything continues in the week also, so you know, thanks to all the volunteers down here that are doing, you know, marvellous work. Without the guys and girls down here, it wouldn't happen. So, and also to the public, thanks for funding us. You know, it's every donation that you give, it helps us dramatically. Everything down here is what you guys are paying for. None of us are paid. It's the world's only live hangared Vulcan, which is something to say, something to scream from the rooftops about, which is really good. So yeah, we'll keep you updated. Stay posted today, and we'll keep you tuned.